Hi, this is Hadas from in Canva, and in this video I'd like to show you the new Canva feature, which is video filter. You can add filters to your video while recording with Canva's Recording Studio. Let's go ahead and see how that works. So let's go to Uploads, and here you'll see the Record Yourself button. Once you click on that, there you have it. Hi, how are you? My camera opened up, and now once I click on these little two circles, you can see I have this filter button. And here I get some awesome filters that by clicking on any of them, I automatically see my video filtered. Oh, this is so cool. And now you can adjust the intensity. And let's go and see, you also have some black and white filters. Ooh, this is interesting from my tutorials, perhaps next time. You also have down here some psychedelic, artistic, very colorful filters. So interesting to see what you're going to do about it. Then you just go ahead and click on the record button, and there you go. Your video is filtered. How about that?